Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to Ocean Breeze Resort. How may I assist you today?
Good afternoon. This place looks amazing. I'm looking for a room for 2 nights. Do you have anything available?
Thank you. Yes, we do have availability for the next 2 nights. Are you looking for a standard garden view room, or would you prefer something with an ocean view?
I'm on vacation, so the ocean view sounds tempting. What's the price difference?
Our garden view standard room is $180 per night, while the ocean view deluxe suite is $265 per night. The deluxe suite includes a private balcony, direct beach access, complimentary breakfast, and access to our infinity pool and spa facilities.
That sounds wonderful. Does the deluxe suite include beach chairs and umbrellas?
Yes, sir. Beach chairs, umbrellas, and towels are included for all Ocean View guests. You'll also receive complimentary welcome drinks upon arrival.
That's great. I think I'll go with the Ocean View Deluxe Suite.
Excellent choice. May I please have your passport or ID for registration?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. I'll just enter your information into our system. Will you be paying with card? Yes, I'll use my Visa card. Perfect. Please insert your card into the terminal. Thank you. The payment has been authorized for the first night. The remaining balance can be settled at checkout.
Sounds good.
Would you like assistance with your luggage? Yes, that would be helpful. I'll have our bell staff escort you shortly. Your suite number is 512, located on the 5th floor. It has a full ocean-facing balcony.
Fantastic. What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. at our beachfront restaurant. You can dine indoors or outside overlooking the ocean.
That sounds perfect. Is the beach open all day?
Yes, the beach is accessible 24 hours, but lifeguards are on duty from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Good to know. Do you offer any water sports activities?
Absolutely. We offer jet skiing, paddleboarding, snorkeling tours, and sunset boat cruises. You can book any of these at our activity desk near the pool.
I might try the sunset cruise tomorrow.
That's one of our most popular experiences. I can reserve a spot for you now if you'd like. Yes, please do. Done. You're booked for tomorrow at 6 p.m. The cruise lasts approximately 2 hours.
Great. Is there a spa in the resort?
Yes, our Serenity Spa is located on the 2nd floor. We offer massages, facials, and relaxation treatments. Guests staying in deluxe suites receive a 15% discount.
I might schedule a massage tomorrow morning.
Wonderful. I recommend booking early as weekends fill up quickly.
I'll stop by later.
Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Just one more question. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 12 noon. If you'd like a late checkout, please let us know a day in advance.
Thank you for all the information.
It's my pleasure. Here is your key card. Enjoy your stay with us at Ocean Breeze Resort.
Thank you very much.
Welcome to paradise, sir. Good evening, sir. Welcome to the Grand Meridian Hotel. How may I assist you?
Good evening. I have a reservation for 5 nights under the name Daniel Kahn.
Let me check. Yes, Mr. Khan, we have your reservation for a luxury executive suite from May 15th to May 20th.
That's correct.
May I please see your ID and the credit card used for booking?
Of course.
Thank you. Everything looks good. Would you like a brief overview of our amenities?
Yes, please.
Your executive suite includes a king-size bed, separate living room, city skyline view, complimentary breakfast, executive lounge access, and evening cocktail service. You also have access to our rooftop bar, fitness center, indoor pool, and business center.
That sounds impressive.
Additionally, since you're staying 5 nights, you qualify for complimentary airport drop-off service on your departure day.
That's very convenient.
Are you visiting for business or leisure?
Both. I have meetings during the day, but I'd also like to explore the city.
Wonderful. Our concierge can help arrange city tours, restaurant reservations, and tickets to local attractions.
That would be helpful. I'd like to visit Millennium Park and maybe take an architecture boat tour.
Excellent choices. The Architecture River Cruise is highly recommended. I can have our concierge contact you tomorrow morning to finalize arrangements.
Please do.
What time are your meetings scheduled?
Mostly mid-morning.
In that case, breakfast is served from 6 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Our executive lounge also offers light refreshments throughout the day. Is there a meeting room I can use if needed? Yes, executive guests receive 2 hours of complimentary meeting room usage per day. Additional hours can be arranged if necessary. Perfect. Would you like assistance with luggage? Yes, please. I'll call our bell service right away. Your suite is on the 18th floor, offering a beautiful skyline view. That sounds amazing. Would you prefer a wake-up call in the mornings? Yes, at 7 a.m. on weekdays. Noted. We'll arrange wake-up calls for you.
Is there room service available late at night?
Yes, we offer 24-hour room service with a full menu. Excellent. Checkout is at 12 noon on May 20th. Since you have airport drop-off, please inform us of your flight time 1 day prior. I will. Here is your key card. If you need anything, dial 0 from your room phone. Thank you for the warm welcome. It's our pleasure, Mr. Khan. We hope you enjoy both your work and your time in Chicago.
I'm sure I will.
Have a wonderful evening and enjoy your stay at the Grand Meridian. Good evening, sir. Welcome to the Silver Oak Hotel. How may I assist you tonight?
Good evening. I have a reservation under the name Michael Rahman. I believe it's for 3 nights.
Let me pull that up for you. May I please see your ID?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Just a moment while I check our system. I do see your reservation here, Mr. Rahman, but it appears there was a small issue with the booking.
An issue? What kind of issue?
It seems the reservation was made through a third-party website, and the payment authorization didn't go through successfully earlier today. As a result, the room was released at 6 p.m. according to our cancellation policy.
Oh no, my flight was delayed by 6 hours. I couldn't arrive earlier. Does that mean I don't have a room?
Please don't worry. Let me check our availability for tonight. It is quite late, but I'll do my best to accommodate you.
I'd really appreciate that. I've had a long day.
I completely understand. Traveling can be exhausting. Let me see. We are currently fully booked for standard rooms, but we do have one executive suite available.
An executive suite? I'm not sure that's within my budget.
I understand your concern. Normally, the executive suite is $320 per night. However, considering the situation with your delayed flight and booking issue, I can offer it to you at the original rate you booked, which was $210 per night.
Really? That would be very helpful.
Yes, sir. We always try to take care of our guests whenever possible.
I appreciate that very much.
Would you like me to proceed with the upgrade at the discounted rate?
Yes, please.
Wonderful. May I please have your credit card to secure the booking?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. I'll just process the authorization. All set. You're confirmed for 3 nights in our executive suite.
That's a relief.
Since you had such a long travel day, would you like complimentary late checkout on your departure day?
That would be amazing.
I've arranged a 2 p.m. late checkout for you at no extra charge.
Thank you so much. That really helps.
You're very welcome. Let me tell you a little about your suite. It includes a king-size bed, a separate living area, a work desk, complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi, and access to our executive lounge.
That sounds very comfortable.
The executive lounge offers complimentary breakfast from 6:30 to 10 a.m., as well as evening appetizers and beverages from 5 to 7 p.m.
Nice. Is room service still available at this hour?
Yes, our kitchen is open 24 hours. If you'd like, I can provide you with a late-night dining menu.
That would be great. I'm actually pretty hungry.
I'll include a menu folder with your keycard. You can dial room service directly from your suite phone.
Perfect.
Would you like a wake-up call tomorrow morning? Yes, at 8 a.m., please. Consider it done. We'll give you a wake-up call at 8 sharp. Thank you. Also, if you need transportation during your stay, our concierge can arrange car rentals or ride services. Actually, I have a meeting downtown tomorrow. How far is it from here? Downtown is about 15 minutes by car, depending on traffic. That's convenient. Absolutely. If you'd like, we can arrange a taxi in advance for your meeting. Yes, please schedule one for 9 a.m. Noted. A taxi will be ready for you at the main entrance at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Excellent service. Thank you. It's our pleasure. Here is your key card. Your suite number is 1408 on the 14th floor. The elevators are just to your left. Great. A member of our bell staff can assist you with your luggage if needed. Yes, please. I have 2 suitcases. I'll call someone right away. I have to say, I was really worried when you mentioned the booking issue, but you handled it very professionally. Thank you, sir. We always aim to provide the best possible experience for our guests, even when unexpected issues arise. Well, I definitely appreciate it. Is there anything else I can assist you tonight? No, I think that covers everything. Wonderful. Welcome to the Silver Oak Hotel, Mr. Raman. We hope you have a comfortable and relaxing stay. Thank you very much. Good night. Good night, sir.